Welcome to this course on privacy coins. We're going to be diving into privacy coins and why privacy coins are going to be the next big thing in the cryptocurrency space. It's more than from an investment point of view. Yes, we're going to go into the top privacy coins right now. Absolutely, because most of us are in this space from an investment point of view. But we're also going to be going into financial freedom. What's the actual benefit of privacy coins? What are privacy coins? How do they work? What are the different types of privacy coins? What about Dash, Monero, Zcash? There's actually over 20 different coins that I'm going to be going into in this program in depth. The fundamentals as well as the technicals. We're going to go through the graphs, the charts. We're going to work out what is the best time to buy that coin and what are actually the top coins for 2018 and beyond. So I'm really excited to share this because I've been journeying with privacy coins for a long time recently because I feel that that is the space that's going to blow up. People get into cryptocurrencies initially to jump into Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the gateway currently. But when they actually want to start using cryptocurrencies, we start to realize that Bitcoin has too high fees, slow transaction times, and it is not private. So someone can actually trace how much money you have in your cryptocurrency wallet, what you've been spending, where you've been spending. And yes, you might think, well, I've got nothing to hide, that's fine. But a human right is financial freedom. So once people get into Bitcoin cryptocurrencies, they're naturally going to look for coins that have extremely fast transactions, low fees, as well as privacy. And that is the basis of why the privacy coin sphere is going to explode. Now, what we have to do is sift through all the privacy coins and find the best ones. And that's what I've done for you. So come and journey with me throughout this course. We're going to be going through, as I said, over 20 coins, and then I'm going to be presenting to you at the end why I've chosen my top coins for 2018 and beyond. So I'm excited. Let's jump into it.